Good day, little bird watchers. Ready to flap your wings and fly into the wide world of Australian birds?
I am the pelican. My beak is big, and I love to scoop a fish.
Pelicans can soar up to 3 kilometers high and fly for 24 hours without stopping. They primarily eat fish, but they also consume other small creatures like turtles and tadpoles.
Hello there! I am the cockatoo, noisy, clever, and full of flair.
Cockatoos eat mostly seeds, nuts, fruits, vegetables, and some insects. Some cockatoos can live up to 100 years in captivity.
I am the rainbow lorikeet. I am bright, fast, and full of color.
Rainbow lorikeets eat nectar and pollen from flowers. They also enjoy fruits and seeds. They can live for up to 20 years in the wild and even longer in captivity. Rainbow lorikeets are very social birds. They are often seen in flocks and noisy groups.
I am the emu. Big, fast, and can't fly, but I sure can run.
Emus are the second tallest bird in the world after the ostrich. They can grow up to 2 meters tall and weigh up to 55 kilograms. They are very fast runners. They can reach speeds of up to 48 kilometers per hour. Emus eat fruits, seeds, flowers, insects, and small animals. They don't have teeth, so they swallow pebbles and grit to help grind up their food in their gizzard.
Good day, mates. I am the Galah. Pretty in pink and super smart too.
Galahs live in open areas with suitable nesting trees and access to water and food. They can live up to 80 years in captivity and 30 years in the wild. The males have brown eyes while the females have red.
Tweet, tweet. I am a budgie. Tiny, talkative, and totally adorable.
Budgies are social birds and thrive in flocks. They are known for their playful nature and enjoy interacting with their owners. They can learn to mimic sounds and even talk. Budgies are native to Australia and they eat seeds, fruits, and vegetables. They can rotate their heads 180 degrees and they have a third eyelid for lubrication and protection.
I am the black swan, graceful, strong, and gliding on any water I find.
Swans are primarily herbivores. They feed on aquatic plants, seeds, and roots, but also consume some small invertebrates and fish eggs. They have webbed feet which help them swim and paddle effectively through the water. Swans can live up to 20 years in the wild and about 50 years in captivity.
You might think I'm an owl, but I'm not. I am the tawny frogmouth, the best tree hider around.
They are nocturnal hunters and they hunt for insects, worms, slugs, small lizards, and mice.
Hello, I am the fairy Wren. I may be small, but look at my shiny blue feathers.
Fairy wrens eat insects, spiders, and seeds, foraging on the ground and in low vegetation. They live for about 12 to 13 years. They build domed nests out of grass and spider webs, and their nests are often hidden in dense shrubs. From kookaburras that laugh to emus that run super fast. I hope you had fun on your little birdie adventure. Don't forget to chop that like button and fly into the fun. Let's go. Bye bye.